Most of us have either dealt with or will need to deal with in the future an insurance claim. Sometimes pretty seamless, sometimes not so much. Why does it get difficult like this, Bill?
Well, it depends on what type of case it is and the complexity of it. You know, if you're talking about a little fender bender, you know, if we're talking about automobile accidents, if you've got a little fender bender, no injuries, the other insurance company on the other side, if they want to fix your car or if it's a total loss, that's usually pretty seamless and pretty easy. Now, you can always, bet your bottom dollar the insurance company is going to try to offer you less money for your vehicle than what it actually probably is worth, and so there's a little negotiating room there. But if you see the graphic there, at-fault insurance companies want to pay out as little as possible. That's just the way it is. And insurance companies, if there's anyone out there that's listening to me say that right now, they may take offense to that, but that's just, that's fact. That's not, some, plaintiff lawyer like I am trying to beat on his chest and say that, they're going to, they're going to try to rip you off. The way these companies make money is to take in as many premiums as they can from their customers and pay out as little as possible. And whatever is left over, that's their profit. And then the bottom part there, and that's the most important part that you can that you need to remember. Once you sign a release, you have no more recourse. In other words, when you're trying to settle a case, let's talk about a personal injury, whether it be a slip and fall or on-the-job accident or automobile accident. When you're negotiating with the other side, they're negotiating to get your signature for money. And they're not going to give you that money without your signature on a release. And that release is just what it sounds like. It releases them from any and all liability in the future. So you cannot, you cannot 6 months down the road say, well, I know I settled for $6,000 for my neck injury, but it's a lot worse than what I thought. I think I need to go back to the doctor, and God forbid if you have to have surgery or something of that nature. And if you try to go back to that insurance company, they're not going to listen to you. They're going to say, "Oh, we're so sorry. We're sorry for your troubles, but this case is over." And that's the fact. It's over. Once you settle, there's no going back.